Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
This lesson is for exiting student records for all reasons other than no longer eligible. Locate the student record by clicking the Students tab on the navigation bar and click Student IEPs. Click on the student record icon and select the CalPAD student page. You will find the Special Education Program exit date at the bottom of the page. Enter the student's exit date. Then enter the Student Special Education Program exit reason code and click Save. On the right, click the Exit button. Verify the exit date and reason code, and you may enter any comment needed, then click the Exit Student button.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.